Hi, hello, welcome back. Hope you are all having a great day. Today, let's see an easy to make pressure cooker chicken curry. This has a thick gravy and goes well with roti varieties as well as rice varieties. Dry roast 1 big bay leaf or 2 small bay leaves, 6 to 7 red chilies. Adjust the spice as per your preference. Also add 6 Kashmiri red chilies. This gives that red color to our gravy. This is optional. Once done, we will blend this into a coarse powder. Into the same pan, add some oil. Into this goes 1 medium-sized onion. Saute well until it turns slight brown in color. Now add about 6 garlic pods and this much of ginger roughly chopped. Along with 6 to 10 cashew nuts and blend all of this into a coarse paste. Since we will be cooking this in the pressure cooker, adding too many cashew nuts might make our gravy stick to the bottom while it is being pressure cooked. Now, to make a smooth paste, we will add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, coarsely cut. I have done this in 2 batches and we will keep this tomato and masala paste aside for a while. Into the pressure cooker, here I have added 2 tablespoons of any non-flavored oil and some ghee. Into this goes 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Give it a good mix and add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Adjust the salt as per your preference. As powdered spices, take 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of any store-bought chicken masala powder. Adjust the quantity as per the instructions given for the masala. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Keeping the flame low, add the powdered spices in and mix well. Now we will add pudina and coriander leaves. Mix well and add our ground masala paste. Here I am adding half a cup of water followed by another half cup at a later point of time. Cover and cook until the tomato gets cooked completely and oil starts to leave the sides. Now that the tomatoes are done, we will add our chicken pieces in. Here I have taken about 1 kg of chicken. Keep moving the spatula until the chicken pieces change color from light pink to pale white. Adjust salt and cover and cook in medium flame for 1 whistle. This chicken curry is easy to prepare and has a thick gravy. Goes well with rotis as well as rice varieties. Hope you liked this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.